Unit 5, Lesson 2, Functional Implementation. Functional Implementation Lesson Overview. This lesson presents an overview of the functional implementation process, including potential project team members and their roles, prerequisite tasks, and implementation tasks performed during each phase of the project. Lesson objectives. After completing this lesson, you will be able to identify members of typical project teams, perform prerequisite tasks, describe key high-level setups in the GRC 10.0 implementation process. Business example. A company is embarking on an SAP Business Objects GRC 10.0 implementation. During the project preparation and blueprinting phase, the project manager will need to identify the necessary members of the project team, including those who may be the stakeholders, as well as understand the necessary prerequisites needed to be completed prior to engaging the functional team. During this time as well, the project manager will need to create a project timeline of tasks that will need to be completed depending upon the solution or solutions being implemented, or in some cases to be implemented in the future. Project teams. You will most likely work on a team to complete a functional implementation. Project teams vary depending on which applications are in use. GRC project teams. Solution or application consultants are experts in specific solution or application areas and focus on implementation. Tasks include analyzing business process requirements and then transferring those into the software, as well as performing configuration tasks. These consultants advise the customer about the generic functionality and the options for customizing in order to suit the specific customer requirements. Technology consultants perform tasks such as evaluating landscape choices, analyzing hardware and software requirements, and evaluating sizing requirements. These consultants install software, activate and set up required tools, and activate business configuration BC sets in addition to other technical tasks. In general, they prepare the system to be ready for the functional implementation. Security consultants may perform similar tasks as a solution or application consultant and have some overlapping areas with a technology consultant, for example, evaluating sizing requirements. IT administrator perform tasks such as setting up automated mail service, copying and modifying user roles, setting up users and assigning roles, performing functional and integration tests, and monitoring the go-live process. IT administrator may also monitor ongoing system performance and provide support for workflow administration. Project managers in a software implementation are responsible for managing a project team and the successful going live of a solution within time and budget. Among other duties, they plan project phases, monitor the project progress, handle change requests, and lead communication with the client as well as between the project and steering committee. Business users are a subset of users that typically reference non-transactional activities. They use the software to collect and analyze data that help them support making business decisions. These users are focused on creating new strategies and making decisions based on information from a variety of sources. Examples of business users include internal and external auditors, risk managers and compliance managers. Power users are a subset of end users who perform additional tasks beyond an end user's profile in a specific application area. For example, assigning user profiles. They often serve as first support and fulfill a training role for other end users. Executives are responsible for business transformation and SAP selection and deployment. They have a very broad responsibility but require expert assistance in specific areas. For example, they may be in charge of IT landscape strategy and the implementation of business requirements. They may also monitor the degree of user acceptance and system optimization after implementation. A works council typically reviews generic user tasks against tasks that the works council represents. Popular in Europe, a works council has the task of promoting the interests both of the enterprise and of its workforce and serves to reduce workplace conflict by improving and systemizing communication channels. They give representatives of workers in large multinational companies a direct line of communication to top management and make sure that workers in different countries are all told the same thing at the same time about transnational policies and plans. Prerequisite tasks. Prerequisites before beginning the functional implementation include: number 1, technical setup should be complete before you begin these steps. Technical setup is typically performed by the technology consultants and IT administrator. Example tasks include specifying system architecture such as identifying front end and reporting components, defining transport mechanisms and the integration framework, validating different steps during installation including validating proper ABAP installation. Number 2, activate applicable business configuration BC sets based upon customer requirements. While in the IMG, click on existing BC sets to see the BC sets appear in a column to the right of the tasks. Only activate the time frame related BC sets if the customer is on a calendar year, as January to December is delivered in the BC set. Number 3, you must have the necessary authorization rules that allow access to the IMG. SAP_GRAC_ setup for access control configuration. SAP_GRC_SPC_ customizing for process control configuration. SAP_GRC_RM_ customizing for risk management configuration. Implementation process. Once the implementation is complete, you will conduct daily regular business. While doing this, you will enjoy the benefits of preventive governance, risk and compliance management. Design the solution. Listed here are general tasks for the design phase of implementation and may differ depending on regions and business needs. For example, security consultants typically ensure and discuss regional data security requirements and act as a NB Works Council liaison. When gathering parameters regarding processes, security consultants may also define a responsibility matrix during this phase. Install or upgrade and migrate. Note: during this implementation phase, it is important to ensure that the 10.0 production system data is preserved for auditing purposes, including old log files. Configure access control. Access control. Configure common settings, IMG. Activate BC sets. Configure access control specific settings. Optimize and enhance 2011 access control. Conduct deployment and business process definition workshop. Determine rule set load methodology. Configure workflow. Promote solution design from development to testing to production. Test the implementation. Prepare for go live. Process control and risk management. Validate POC solution. Set up key risk indicators and perform calculations, RM. Set up risk management connectors. Customize solution to fit business requirements. Add features that are not in the POC. Build automated controls, PC. Configure assessment and risk strategy settings. Validate roles and authorizations. Prepare global rollout. Conduct knowledge transfer to end users. Test and validate solution including workflow. Communicate choices for customizing reporting tools. Perform functional and integration testing. Manage go live process.